Montgomery Tower, Falcon 823 Romeo Charlie with you, 28 right at Alpha, ready to go. Need a momentary delay for short field.
Falcon 823 Romeo Charlie, Montgomery Tower, runway 28 right. Clear for takeoff. Momentary delay approved.
28 right, clear for takeoff, momentary delay approved. 3 Romeo Charlie.
Cessna 6 Alpha Foxtrot, turn base.
Turn in base, 6 Alpha Foxtrot.
Cessna 6 Alpha Foxtrot, traffic departing runway 28 right, Falcon reporting site.
I have traffic in sight, 6 Alpha Foxtrot.
Cessna 6 Alpha Foxtrot, runway 28 right, clear for the option. Caution wake turbulence.
Clear for the option 28 right, 6 Alpha Foxtrot.
Cessna 2 Sierra X-ray, runway 28 left, clear for the option.
2 Sierra X-ray, clear for the option, 28 left.
Cessna 2 Sierra X-ray, go around.
2 Sierra X-ray, going around.
Cessna 6 Alpha Foxtrot, go around.
Going around, 6 Alpha Foxtrot.
Cessna 6 Alpha Foxtrot, the airport is going to be closed for a while due to the aircraft off of the runway. If you would like to divert to somewhere else, that may be good, or you can hold outside and call back in a little while.
Thanks for that. I'm going to, is straight out departure approved for 6 Alpha Foxtrot?
6 Alpha Foxtrot, straight out departure approved.
Thank you very much. 6 Alpha Foxtrot.
That's a 2 Sierra X-ray. Did you hear that?
Yeah, we heard that. Can we hold in the area and maybe get 28 left when y'all are ready?
That's a 2 Sierra X-ray. Yeah, that's not a problem. You can hold south of the airport inside of the Delta. It's going to be a little while. It'll probably be upwards of an hour before we're taking inbounds again.
Roger that. Okay, 2 Sierra X-ray.
Okay, 401 Tango. I'll switch over to ground and get a taxi back.
8401 Tango, roger, thank you.
Montgomery Tower, 6 Alpha Foxtrot on the straight out departure. Can I turn around and go to Gillespie?
That's a 6 Alpha Foxtrot, that's approved. Right down when departure approved.
Right down when departure, 6 Alpha Foxtrot, thanks.
Tower, this is Montgomery 1 on Foxtrot, heading out to the disabled aircraft.
Montgomery 1, that's approved.
Montgomery 1.
Hey, do you have the phone number for the ROC?
Sir?
Do you have it?
Phone number for the what, sir?
The ROC, the ROC.
Not 100% sure what you're talking about.
Okay, stand by.
Montgomery 1, I got a phone number for you to call whenever you get a chance. Advise you when you're ready to copy.
Sorry, Tower is offline for a second. You have a phone number for me to call?
Yeah, I'm going to have you call the Regional Operations Center. They're just going to basically ask for a status update. Advise when you're ready to copy that phone number.
Everyone's ready to copy.
All right, it is 206.
And Tower, I can confirm that all the passengers are off the aircraft and no one is injured.
Montgomery Tower, 172 Sierra X-ray. Is there any chance we could just get a full stop on 28 left real quick? We're running out of time.
That's a 2 Sierra X-ray. Unfortunately, the airport is closed for the emergency, so I can't issue a landing clearance. If you'd like to depart east to Gillespie, that's approved.
Okay, we're headed east to Gillespie, 2 Sierra X-ray.